Hi guys, so I'm creating this beautiful minimal wedding guest makeup look using all the products from Sugar Cosmetics. Firstly, I applied a moisturizer which was super hydrating. Then going ahead with the BB cream. I'm not applying any foundation or concealer but just the BB cream and setting my face really well. Then I'm using this face palette which I absolutely love. I'm contouring. I'll be applying the blush from the same palette, and the contour shade is something that I even like to use it for my eyes. It creates like a really beautiful shade. And then I'll be using this Star product which is a dual eyeshadow. One side is matte and on the other side is the metallic shade. This matte shade is beautiful. It is so blendable, it is pigmented, and I love it. Then I'm topping it up with the metallic shade. Just look at it, how stunning it looks, right? Then I completed my look with some mascara and liner, and then I'm using the same highlighter from this palette and highlighting all the high points of my face, and then completed the look with this beautiful lipstick. I also topped up that same eyeshadow to make like a beautiful monochrome look, and just look at it, I am glowing, isn't it? This is super easy to do, so do let me know how you like it.